Well, damn it all, someone already picked this one. This is actually the same car that was on Kijiji yesterday. Headlight doesn't look too bad. That's what's left of the front grille. Oh. Damn it. Radiator doesn't look too bad. Has some burrs on it. Huh. This headlight looks pretty good. There's not even a crack on it. There's the floor mat that looks exactly like mine. Ah, damn it, someone actually took the trim out already. Oh, well, that sucks. I drove out here for trim, but it's not there. CD player's still there, though. Oh yeah, that seat's pretty bad. This one has the sunroof. Garage door opener. It smells like old man farts in here. Still has the key. Well, they still have this part which I really need. I need the speaker. Ooh. I actually came here for the reverse lenses, but some bastard already took it. Damn. Oh boy. Now, well, that's one of the sides. Yeah, that's a shame too, because I was hoping to get the reverse lenses, but somebody already took them. And that really sucks too, because this car's only been here a day. I was hoping that there would be more on this, but somebody actually pretty much salvaged everything that they could. I'm really pissed off that they took this piece though, because like this piece I really needed. Oh well. Better get picking. Okay, so let's take a look at the booty that I got. Alright, so after about an hour at that scrapyard, brought some stuff home. This is the locking mechanism, the switch, and the speaker for the driver's side door. The reason why I bought this is because the speaker on my side doesn't work. This one works. So, and it's all molded into the plastic, so there's nothing I can do to really ooh, ow, oops, to really get this off. Got a speedometer or instrument cluster. That's retro right there. Also has the Prindle cable in case mine snaps on the column and my indicator doesn't work. I'm not going to really be able to use this one because this, actually I can use this one. I just won't be able to use this part because it has the overdrive and drive indicators, whereas mine doesn't. But it's very common that these things break. So I'm happy that I got this one, because if mine kicks the bucket, I got a spare. And these things are normally $150 in working condition. So, yeah, I'm happy about that. What else did I get? Oh, I got the factory compact disc with cassette tape player. It works, not a thing wrong with it. Could use a cleaning though, and it has a 90-day warranty on it. But I'm not going to be using this right away. I'm going to use it in case the one that I rebuilt in the car craps out. So at least I'll have a spare to throw in it. I didn't check to see if there was... Okay, no, there's no tape in there. So, yeah. And I got a rim, because I'm going to get rid of that small donut tire and put a full size in here. It should fit. Oh yeah. Yep, there's enough space back there to fit a tire in. Yeah, but that's the donut tire that's in there. Oh, I also picked up some Rubbermaid winter floor mats for my grandmother. Yeah, so she'll really like that. Keeps her car from getting too much snow on the floor. It only came with the front mats, it didn't have the back ones. The back ones were picked, but luckily I was able to get those too. Anyway, the one thing that I did forget though, I forgot the hood lamp, which is this lens looking thing right here, and it snaps on top of the hood. I forgot to get that. And they didn't have the reverse lenses. This one is plastic. This one here is actually glass. But you can see there's not really anything holding it in anymore, and I don't know why. So it's broken. I'm gonna have to look at it to see if I can fix it, but yeah, it's falling out. Oh well. Yeah, so that's what I got. Thanks for watching.